Hello friends, welcome to USA Trending News. Today news is Best Buy or Ultra Beauty. Which retailer has more upside potential? Detail is here. The temporary closure of retail stores during the coronavirus pandemic had severe impact on retail sector. However, a spike in e-commerce sales helped retailers to offset part of the loss of sales from the closure of physical stores. Many US retailers are recovering with the gradual reopening of stores since May. Meanwhile, investors will be keenly watching sales trends as the peak holiday season approaches. Using the TipRanks stock comparison tools, we will be placed consumer electronics retail Best Buy and beauty retailer Ultra Beauty alongside each other to see which stock offers a better investment opportunity. Best Buy, which is also known as BBY. Thanks to remote working and shelter-at-home orders, Best Buy experienced strong sales in second quarter of fiscal 2021 ended August 1. For certain consumer electronics categories, even as stores were opened by appointment only for the first 6 weeks of a quarter and demand shifted to online channels. The specialty retailer 2Q revenue grew 3.9% per year to 9.91 billion with comparable sales or comps rising 5.8% and domestic online camps surging 242%. Adjusting EPS jumped 58.3% to $1.71. Merchandise categories that experienced strong growth including computers, computing appliances and tablets, but mobile phone and digital imaging sales declined. Despite strong 2Q performance, investors were disappointed as the company cautioned that although it expected Y-by-Y growth in 3Q revenue, the 20% growth level seen in the first 3 weeks of 3Q might not continue at this rate in the remainder of the quarter. In addition, the company indicated that looking ahead, its 2Q earning growth rate might not be sustainable due to more labor hours in the physical stores. The reinstatement of short-term incentive plans and higher advertising spend in 3Q. Best Buy also pointed to uncertainty related to its performance in the second half of the year due to several factors, including the government stimulus action, shift in personal spending from travel and dining out, and the impact and duration of pandemic. Overall, Best Buy's strong online business and its exposure to the in-demand consumer electronics categories helped the company weather the current crisis better than other retailers. However, higher costs to meet the demand for increased online sales are still concern. On September 1, Loop Capital market analyst Anthony reiterated this buy rating on the stock with a price target of $130 following research into the company products price compared to Amazon. The analyst compared prices of 50 items across 5 different product categories and found the Best Buy prices are getting more competitive. The results showed that Best Buy was 2.4% more expensive than Amazon. And that figure was an improvement from the 3.6% rate that the analyst previously observed in June. Kukumba believes that the narrowing price gap is good news for Best Buy. He adds that the slightly higher prices are less likely to put consumers off, especially if they want to convince of picking up an item in store or curbside. For this, you can see BBY stock analysis on TipRanks. Meanwhile, the street has a moderate Buy analyst consensus on the stock that breaks down into 11 buys, 8 holds and no sell ratings. With shares up to about 22% so far this year, the average analyst price target of $122.17, which reflects upside potential of another 14% is coming month. Next is Ultra Beauty, which is also known as ULTA. The pandemic has hurt consumer spending on several non-essential categories, but sales seem to picking up with the reopening of stores since the easing of lockdown restrictions. Ultra Beauty comparable store sales were down 10% in July, improving from 37% drop in early May. Sales trend continued to improve with comps down in the mid-single digit range in the first 3 weeks of August. Ultra Beauty sales for 2Q of fiscal 2020 ended August 1 declined 26.3% to $1.3 billion with comp down 26.7% due to impact of store closure at the beginning of the quarter. However, e-commerce comps spiked over 200% as customers use facilities like buy online, pickup in store and curbside pickup. The company posted an adjusted EPS of $0.73 in 2Q, which is second quarter, compared to $2.72 year on year. Due to pandemic-related uncertainty, the company expects comp to decline in the low double-digit to mid-teen range in the second half of fiscal 2020. The company resumed new store opening in August and has a target of opening 19 stores in second half of fiscal 2020. As of the end of 2Q, Ultra Beauty operated 1,264 stores. Over a long term, the company aims to operate 1,500 to 1,700 stores in the USA. Ultra Beauty is expanding its ship from store facility to 100 stores to increase its shipping capacity and ensure faster delivery ahead of the holiday season. To attract more customers to its online channels, the company expanded its virtual try-on capability to include new features like Benefit, Brow Bar and hair color, and also roll out a skin analysis tools. Ultra Beauty continues to expand its brand offering across all price points with additions like Beekman 1802, Locinate and Glam Glow. The company new skincare brand from its emerging brand platform Spark, including Kinship, Upcircle and Fifth and Root. On September 10, D.A. Davidson analyst Michael Baker initiated coverage of Ultra Beauty with a buy rating and $280 price target. Baker said, although trends remain challenging in the beauty business, we believe Ulta should benefit from the continued reopening of the economy. Thus, we believe it makes sense to get in front of this potential improvement, particularly as Ulta should take share during the rebound as other retailers struggled, he also added. Overall, a moderate buy analyst consensus on the stock is based on 13 buy, 5 holds and no sell rating. The stock has dropped over 5% year to date, with the average analyst price targets of $269.50, implying 12.3% upside potential lies ahead. Now come towards conclusion. Best Buy operational business year to date stock performance as well as higher upside potential and a lower forward PE make it more favorable stock compared to Ulta Beauty right now. Moreover, Best Buy rewards its shareholder with dividend and has a dividend yield of 2.04%. To find good ideas for stock trading at attractive valuation, visit TipRank's Best Stock to Buy, a newly launched tool that unites all of the tip ranks equity insights. Now it's a disclaimer. The opinions expressed in this video or article are solely those of the featured analyst. The content is intended to be used for informational purpose only. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment. If you have not subscribed my